this video shows how to upload and replace your virtual background in Zoom. The first thing that I am going to do, you see that I am here in an active Zoom meeting. I will first of all start the video. You are going to see me here with the virtual background that I have by default. Now to replace the virtual background, you go to this menu right here, choose virtual background. There are other ways to reach this point, but this is the easiest and also the one that I use during meetings. When I click that, it opens the settings and chooses the virtual background tab for me, where I have all my various virtual backgrounds at my disposal. Now, if I want to organize it a little bit, I can always use these X icons in order to get rid of backgrounds and not use them anymore. And if I want to add a video or an audio, and I am dead set against videos as virtual backgrounds, so I'm not going to do that, but you use that little plus button here, you click it and choose add image. I'm going to choose the background of my friend Aaron. And now I have both uploaded it to my selection and it has chosen it for me. That's all you need to do. In order to change again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change to this background. And because I am not going to use a background that says Aaron, I am going to delete that from my selection.